Recording and editing videos have always been a really difficult task for artists like me. So, especially when it comes to the closer shots or the videos that need to, just have a specific part of all of the sketchbook. So, in today's video, we are going to discuss about these three phone holders or stands, you can call them, and have a look at which one is the best for an artist. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi, I'm Neha from Art and Stuff, a calligraphy and mandala artist. I am a content creator, an art educator, and a small business owner. I make videos on art, calligraphy, mandala, digital art, DIYs, and much more. So if you're an artist or want to become one, consider subscribing to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. So the first one is this phone holder from the brand Striff. You can also get these from other brands, and this is easily available on Amazon. I'll mention the link in the description and the price details somewhere on the screen. So this one is really handy and it is adjustable. So you just take out this part and adjust as per your requirement. So this is a really cool phone holder. So this phone holder not only can help you in recording videos, your art videos, and taking closer shots, but also works as a phone holder. So for example, if I keep my phone over here like this, so I can just keep it on my desk or anywhere. And if you want closer shots or any such for your art videos, you can use this phone holder. You can just adjust the height as per your requirement by just pulling it out or pushing it further. So for example, if I just want a more this is a vertically straight video. So for example, if I want a more closer shot, I'll just pull this part out like this, and then I can just have my closer shot. So this phone stand not only can be used as as a stand or holder for recording your videos, it can also be used for your video calls, or if you want to use the selfie camera, or if you want to take closer shots of your any particular art video, this can be used as well. And this can be used for just keeping your phone on your desk if you don't want to if you want to avoid those scratches on your phone back, and if you don't prefer keeping your phone just on the table, you can use this as a phone stand as well. The only disadvantage of this holder, I feel, is that the height of the stand is not adjustable. For example, if I want a shot from this height or something like this or this angle, I won't be able to do that because the height of this stand is not adjustable. But other than that, this works perfectly fine for me whenever I want to shoot closer shots or any tutorials like the mandala pattern tutorials or anything like that. Next up, we have this amazing phone holder from another brand that I actually don't remember. So I got this one from Amazon, and it is priced at almost the same as this one. So the best part about this holder that it is adjustable and foldable as well. So you can just pull this part out, and then you can just keep your phone over here. So this is the part where you keep your phone, and then you can adjust the height and the way your phone should be held according to your requirement. So I believe this one is the best one because the height is adjustable as well. So for adjusting the height, you just pull this part over here like this. So the height is also adjustable, and this part can be adjusted as per your shot. So for example, if I want to shoot something really close, so I will just put this part down like this, and this will be a little closer shot. And for example, if I want to increase the height, and I'll just pull this out, and the height would be increased very nicely. And if I can also adjust this part as well to as per my shot or as per my requirement. So in this way, you can just record some shots vertically like this, and if you want a closer shot or an overhead shot, you can also use this one. So this comes handy for all types of videos. Even you can also use it as a phone stand over your desk, so this as well. If you want to record selfie videos or reels or anything like that, you can just place it anywhere, and you can record videos and even click pictures. And this also comes handy for your video calls and for your meetings as well, because it's just stays like this all the time and it does not move at all. The only disadvantage I feel about this particular phone stand is that it shakes a little, because since it's made of plastic, so sometimes for some angles, not for all angles, for some angles it shakes a little like this when I use it, because it cannot take the weight of the phone. So this is the only disadvantage. And sometimes I have the fear of, if I use it like this, like totally overhead shot, so this is not too good for such shots, because what happens is, if I leave this, so it will just fall off like this. So if you have something heavy to put up here, you can use it, but otherwise it works fine. The only disadvantage is it cannot hold much weight for certain angles, but for such angles it is a really good holder. Now the last one is this one, which is actually available on Amazon as well, but this is a really old one and I bought it from a local stationery shop, and the price is almost the same as this one. I believe this has a very limited uses, because for example, you just put it looks very nice and quirky on your desk, but in terms of the uses, it has very limited uses, because you just put your phone over here and you can actually put any phone in this. The best part is that because it is stretchable, so you can put your phone, any kind of phone or device over here. So you just fit your phone over here and you can just try recording videos. So the only the disadvantage is that you cannot at all adjust it and adjust the angles. So for closer shots it will definitely be difficult, because we need a angle like this for shooting and recording video. So because of this, this has a very limited uses. It can definitely be used for your vertical or any kind of videos which require a vertical angle of the camera, or for your selfie videos or selfie pictures as well. And it also comes handy when you are in meetings or you want the selfie camera. But for your closer shots of your art videos, it might not be useful to all of you, but it depends upon the usage or the type of videos that you want. So according to me, this is little quirky and looks good on your desk and will work fine for selfie videos, but it won't be much useful if you want to record art videos or you want overhead shots. Now, talking about which one is the best, so I have used all of these three, and according to me this one is the best one, because this holder right here is more beneficial when you want to use selfie camera or you want to use a vertical kind of angle for your videos, but it looks good on your desk but has very limited uses. And talking about this one, the height of this one is not adjustable, which also limits the number of users that we can use it, but this is also good enough. But if you are purchasing and you don't want to invest again and again on such holders and you just want to stick on one holder, so this one is the best one, because it comes for something around 200 or 250, which is totally worth it. And the only problem with it is regarding the weight, which you can definitely put something heavy on here and you can just adjust the weight. And this is the best one because it is totally adjustable. You can adjust the angle through this, you can even adjust the height through this, and it will work as a phone stand or holder for your desk as well. And it is totally foldable, so it is easy to store and carry as well. So this is the best one according to me. So I hope today's video helped you in deciding which phone stand or holder you want to use for recording your art videos. So tell me your favorite from the 3 phone holders in the comment section, and if you have any other such phone stands or holders in your mind, please share them in the comment section. So don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you next week. Bye.